Alright guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead. It looks like the winter storm finally quit. So I was going to walk you around and show you some of this. I never seen anything like this at all. But here's some of the pictures or video. So that's as far in as I can get there. There's my shop. I can't even get to that. Finally got my snowblower fixed. So that right there is my drift that was all the way up through the driveway here on both sides. That thick. So I don't know. I'm hoping it's done. I hope this is the last one because I'm really getting sick of snow blowing. This is ridiculous. So anyway, let's go check on the girls. I haven't seen them all day. Been working on trying to get this place cleaned up. For a while there, I just took another 4 inches off the top of this because it was coming down really hard. So here's me next to this snowbank here. Look at this. And then back here, had a chisel through that one. Here, so I could get here back by the girls. Crazy, crazy, crazy. How y'all doing in here? How you guys doing? Bark, bark. Hopefully it warms up, guys. I'm hoping. You guys lay any more eggs? Let's check for eggs. Oh, we got 2 more. Two more late bloomers. So guys, this is just crazy. But look at that. Halfway up to the shop, them things back there, that's one of my smokers and my grill just about buried. Yeah, it's starting to snow again. So guys, what I want to do right now is I want to take some time to talk about a channel. He's a really good channel. He talks about current affairs and he's talking about prepping, and he talks a lot about how to prepare for stuff, shows some canning videos, all this other stuff. And the reason why I'm saying this, guys, is because it is coming up to becoming pretty crappy, and I think everybody should know that knowledge and have some kind of stuff saved up. If it's water and food, just enough so that you can get by. For perfect examples like today, I couldn't get out of the driveway until about 20 minutes ago if I wanted to. That's how bad it was with a 4-wheel drive pickup truck. So it was nice to have the backups and not having to worry to run to town to get gas for the snow blower or any of that other stuff. So it's worth checking out. And the channel's name is Locked and Loaded 100%. Justin's his name. Really good guy. He loves his father as much as I do. He believes in Christ. Great channel. So go check him out and tell him that I sent you. He'll appreciate it. So you guys, I'm gonna go warm up. It's miserable out here, cold. You guys take care. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. It lets you know when we got a new video coming up. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next one.